Hello all. In this video, we are going to view the accessory types supported by System.io drivers. CoreOS 4.0 operating system includes new accessory types to control and monitor many different types of loads by touch panel built-in digital inputs and outputs. Accessory types related with outputs: switch, contactor, water valve, gas valve, elevator, electrical device, siren. Accessory types related with digital inputs: motion sensor, door sensor, window sensor, leak sensor, gas sensor, smoke sensor. Drivers must be added before adding accessories to the system. For this, go to the Drivers tab. Click the plus button and select the driver you want to add from the list of drivers on the page that opens. Click the Add button to complete the adding process. Now, let's examine some of the accessory types supported by System.io drivers. For more detailed information, you can review the CoreOS 4 Web Programming Manual, which can be downloaded from our website. Sensor accessory allows to monitor status of digital security sensors connected to digital inputs of touch panel. Follow the steps in adding new accessory section. To add new System.io sensor accessory, go to Add a new accessory wizard. In first step, enter accessory name, icon, room, and another information. Choose System.io as driver. In second step, choose accessory type as one of the sensor types. In third step, enter required information and configure functions related to sensor accessory. Entry delay is the time it takes for the sensor to become infringed after it is triggered. Arm away, arming the sensor when security systems switch to arm away mode. Arm stay, arming the sensor when security systems switch to arm stay mode. Gas, smoke, and leak sensors are always armed 24/7. Click Save to apply changes. The gas sensor accessory works in conjunction with the gas valve accessory. When the gas sensor is triggered, the gas valve is automatically closed. The water leakage sensor accessory works in conjunction with the water valve accessory. When the water leakage sensor is triggered, the water valve is automatically closed. Switch accessory type allows loads connected to touch panel built-in I/O to be controlled and monitored by CoreOS operating system. Follow the steps mentioned earlier to add a switch accessory. In the third step, select the output number, which indicates which output of the display the load is connected to. If you want the controlled load to remain on for a certain period of time and then turn off, you can activate the pulse button and define a time. Click Save to apply changes. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Bye for now.